today we're going to go ahead and create a pin for one of our new real estate listings. So we're just going to go over here to pins, or we can go up here to pins. There's a couple of ways to do that. Go ahead and click on the little plus sign, and we're going to click Create Pin. Now we're going to title the pin. In my case, I am working on creating some SEO for my listing, so I want to come up under the address. So I'm going to put in 6028 North Glitter Gold Court, North Las Vegas, Nevada, 89031 is for sale. And as you can see, we have 40 characters left. So we can go ahead if we want to and put in the price of that home, or a phone number, or hashtags, anything we want in there. Then we're going to go ahead and put in a general description. And I'm just copying and pasting right from my listing blog post. And then we're going to look at how many characters. Okay, we'll take that out. This beautiful single-story home. Okay, that all fits. Good. I want to make sure I leave some room as well. So for hashtags, I'm going to put in here something like Las Vegas real estate. You can look up which hashtags are actually working on. Pinterest, I'm also going to put in my own hashtag, and then a destination link. Where do I want people to go when they want to know more information about that property? So I could send them right to a landing page for lead capture. I can send them to my blog post if I want to get traffic. I can send them to my video if I'm looking to get more video views. So it all depends on what my goal is at the time. And I can create multiple pins in different facets with different link throughs, with different landing pages for them to click through. Now I can save from site, or I can drag and drop. So if I wanted to save from site, I can go to my page that has pictures, and Pinterest will go and scan for them. So for example, here's an IDX page. Let's go to my photo gallery, and let's see what it pulls from here. Okay, so it's not working for my IDX page generically. Or I can drag and drop images or a video here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some of the pictures that I want to showcase this home. Now I don't want to include any pictures that might alienate the buyer. I want them clicking through to view more, but I'm going to go ahead and click open. And now look what happens. They've got a nice carousel slideshow of all of these of the home here. I can also include something like, whoops, let me cancel that for now. Let me go ahead and I want to add another, oh, maybe I'm maxed out here. Yeah, let's go ahead and leave this one here as it is. And then I could do another one. You can add your logo, you could add your yard sign. My suggestion is that you go ahead and brand your images before you upload them if you want to have your logo and everything right here in it. And you know, there are laws, obviously your broker regulations. So I could go in and watermark all of these so that they're all branded. I also could get rid of one of these and drag and drop, and let me grab my logo, Keller Williams Las Vegas, so that I'm in compliance. And I could upload one that has my license number, any other information that our broker is just going to require. We can also put in this description. And if I wanted to go ahead and grab my license number, I can put that also on here. And so as you can see, it's starting to take away characters because I have too many. So I just take out some of these. I can also use, I'm using my Mac keyboard, Control, Command, Shift, and I can put in emojis. There's so much we can do with these. It's really surprising. So let's just go ahead and go with this for now. Then I'm going to select the board I want to put it on. And in my case, it's real estate listings. And I'm going to click publish, and then we'll go ahead and go over and look at it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see the pin. And this is what it looks like. Okay. We'll go ahead and create one that we're going to run an ad around. So we created our carousel ad, or our carousel pin. Now I'm going to go ahead and create another pin specifically for the purpose of running an ad around. So I'm going to go over here to Canva, and I'm going to go back to my home page here. And I like to use templates and pins that I've already used that are kind of along a similar brand that I'm using. And so we'll just go ahead and grab this one. I'm going to make a copy of it. All right, you can also just save as template and pull from templates. Now we're going to make this, we're going to do it this way. 3-bedroom home for sale in North Las Vegas. And then what was the price of this one? This one is $285. Actually, I'm going to start with that. For sale, $285,000. 3-bedroom, North Las Vegas. There we go. Okay, so all we're doing is just dragging and dropping. Really simple. If you need more room, you can take your spacing down a little bit. Okay, now I need a picture of the house. So I'm going to go to uploads. And you could make a little canvas with like 4 images or 2 images, whatever you want. In my case, I'm just going to grab one for this one. And then you can A/B test them. So upload an image. We're going to go into my images, and it's this one, glitter gold. And let me see how that one looks. Okay. Now I might want to put like a little starburst on this one. So let me try something like that. Starburst. All right, so let's maybe do this one. Put that like up towards the top. I can change that color really easily. Whatever I want it to be. Let's do I like my blacks and my reds. This is the real deal design process right here. I am so not a graphics person, you guys. I'm really, really not. That is not my strength, but I love Canva for this. Okay, for sale, $285,000, 3-bedroom, North Las Vegas. Okay, so that's perfect. Let's say you've got certain licensing requirements, like you have to show your logo. Then you might have to also upload that on your pin, or you could do something like, let's go to more, uploads. Folders. I think I already have my logos in here. Logos. KW Las Vegas. There we go. So find a spot on your pin. Oops. I don't want that. That works for you. There we go. So this might have to come down some. See how that works? So just make sure you're doing whatever you need to do for your requirements. That looks pretty good, pretty clean. Oh, gotta move that around again. Now I could probably take out the for sale because we already said for sale. Then I could probably make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So get it where you like it. That's good enough. This works for me. It's not perfection, but it is, gets the job done here. Maybe I'll just put in Las Vegas. There we go. Even better. Okay. All right. You know what? I don't want that there. Maybe I do. I don't know. It's making me crazy because I can't find where I want that spot to be. All right. We're going with that. Okay. So now I'm going to save this one. What do I want my pin to be called? Okay. And I'm going to call this pin. And then I'm going to go to download. I'm going to download it in PNG form. Not worried about compressing it. This is going right on Pinterest, not on the blog post itself. So we don't need to worry about load time or anything like that. All right, now go back over to pin. We're going to go to add, create a pin, drag and drop, find your image that we just made. And you're going to title it 3-bedroom home for sale in North Las Vegas 285. And maybe I'll give this one okay, some branding there. Give it a description. This one, maybe we'll go with just simple bullet points. Let's do emojis. So let's do price. Guys, Pinterest ads are so cheap. We don't need the status. I'm going to leave the address in there because good for SEO, ranking for the address. All right, from here, we'll go ahead and put this on the board. We want to put this on and click publish. Oops, I put in the wrong URL. I put my hashtags in the URL spot. Okay, and then go ahead and click publish. Okay, now as soon as we hit publish, we can go to promote pin. So click promote pin, and it's super simple. Look at this, daily budget. So how much you want to spend per day? How long do you want to run it? So I'll run 30 days, and I'll run, I'm going to run actually mine for 14 days at $10 a day. So I'll spend $100. I'm willing to spend $150. Let's run this for 15 days. Okay, there we go. And keywords. So Las Vegas. Now it'll start suggesting. See that? Real estate. But you got to be careful because you know you don't want to be marketing to people that this isn't going to fit. So here it tells you what your reach is, your potential audience. So I'm just going to do Las Vegas. Anybody that's in Las Vegas, interested in Las Vegas, that's plenty. $150, and I'm going to click promote. Your campaign has been created. You can go in and change your title too. You can view it. Then you go to visit Ads Manager, and this is where you'll be able to watch it. Okay. So now from here, you're going to measure traffic to that web page. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install your Pinterest Pixel on your website so that you can run ads for conversions. But this is just a great, easy, super simple way to get your ad up and running and start generating traffic to your pin and to your website.